The Prime Minister's Best Village Trophy competition is celebrating 60 years. 60 years of showcasing this country's rich social and multicultural diversity from 11 districts. Over a 3-day period, the Tobago District under the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation held its prelims in several categories. Here's a look at how the event unfolded. Over 10 cultural groups performed before the judges in various categories of dance. The groups delivered their presentations in spiritual, French influenced, African influenced, soca, national patriotic dance, limbo, and the creative freestyle.
If it's me, I don't leave me with power on a hill. I come here for no stand up. I come to party.
There were 5 young ladies from different groups competing for a spot in the finals of the La Reine Riviere.
And this hoof have served the community. Pass your calf, pass your coal.
They were judged in the self-expression and the talent categories. The literature segment featured several categories: poetry, spoken word, short story, and a village chat.
I am Tobago, the clean, green, safe, and serene paradise that many of you call me home. Yes, feast your eyes on my splendor. Aura so sweet, coming from your bosom are our exotic coral reefs. Your villages are filled with the souls of your ancestors. From Speyside estate ruins to the water wheel to Pigeon Point's glistening water.
I think that it takes more than just the woman in the home to raise children or to create that family. Both male and female should have an input in raising that family, giving their ideas, giving their concepts, imparting and passing on.
Some groups performed in the music category. Renditions were in folk song, East Indian folk medley, original calypso and best village, spiritual song, folk medley, and the calypso medley.
He beat me with a pistol and a frying pan. He beat me with a pistol and a frying pan. And then me stab him with a knife till he dropped dead. Oh God! I'm tired, get licked.
Coconut woman says you'll agree. Coconut makes very nice candy. It tastes the best when you're feeling glum. Coconut water with a little rum. It could make you very tipsy.
4 for 5.
Make you wriggle like a gypsy.
4 for 5.
Cocoa got a lot of iron.
4 for 5.
Make you strong like a lion.
4 for 5. Oh, body hit me daddy. Rich and my daddy. Money down and big man. Rich zumba 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 zumba.
Oh,
Oh, body hit me daddy. Rich and some gonna away, some gonna away, me boy. Some gonna away on board the panorama. I wish I was the captain on board the panorama. Some gonna away on board. What Billy do? Me na know, me na know. What Billy do? Me na know, me na know. Where Billy do make them put them on jello.
The group with the highest scores from participating in the various categories of the national competition will be the overall champion. The theme of this year's Best Village competition is Homage to Our Origins. I'm Julia James from the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation.